Hello everyone, welcome back in this video. My name is Amman. In this video, I will tell my story. No fluency, still speaking. The story for a long time. I believed fluency was a requirement. I thought English speaking worked like a final exam. You prepare for years and only then you are allowed to speak. So I waited until my sentence sounded smooth in my head. I waited until my grammar felt safe. I waited until I believed I would not embarrass myself. But while I was waiting, something else happened quietly. I was moving forward. I was learning English every day, but only in silence. So I understand more than before. I recognized word faster. I couldn't follow conversation. Yet when it was my turn to speak, my mind froze. Not because I don't know English, but because I don't trust my English. The problem was not lack of knowledge, it was fear of exposure. Speaking means showing your level in public. It means allowing to others in real time mistake to see, and that felt uncomfortable. So I chose the safe option, preparation without participation. At first, this chose felt reasonable, and I told myself I'm being carefully, I'm still learning. I will speak when I'm ready, but readiness never arrived because fluency does not come from thinking, it comes from usage. One day I noticed something's important. People around me where I speak English, even those who are not fluent, they made mistake. They searched for words, but they continue, and because they continue, they improved. That was the moment I realized a difficult truth. Fluency was not a starting point. So I decided to change one thing. I stopped waiting for fluency. I began speaking with what I had. The first few times were uncomfortable and my sentences were simple, sometimes incorrect, sometimes repetitive. I could hear my mistake while speaking. That made me nervous, but I did not stop, and slowly something shifted. I noticed that most people were not judging my grammar. They were listening for meaning. They were focused on understanding, not analyzing. My English that changed everything. Speaking without fluency again and taught me skill I never learned from books. I learned how rephrase when I forget a word. I learned how to slow down instead of stopping. And that's why I learning how to stay calm inside a sentence. These skills are not taught by grammar rules. They are learned only through real speaking. Even now, I'm not fluent. I still hesitation sometimes. I still make errors. I still feel nervous before speaking. But the difference is this. So I no longer wait. I understand now that fluency grows gradually, not suddenly. It grows from repetition and from exposure, from small day conversation that feel imperfect, but real silence never gave me fluency. Speaking did change for anyone learning English. If you are learning English and waiting to feel fluent, remember this: fluency is not a condition, it is a consequence. So you improve by speaking at your current level, not by hiding from it. Mistakes are not sign of failure, they are sign of movement, improvement. Real confidence comes after many uncomfortable attempts. So speaking first, refine later. And I'm not sound fluent yet, but I'm no longer silent, and that is progress. Because fluency is built sentence by sentence, speaking not imagined. So yes, the fluency is still preparing how to speak in any field. That's why you need to follow. So remember one thing: never to wait to speaking, just start. No matter where is your level, like A1, A2, no matter, just speaking. Try to speak every day in the front of mirror, or in front of classmate, or in front of like some public member or something. No matter, you need your skill developed. So English speaking is skill developed by speaking, not remembering or like grammar rules, something like that. So thank you so much for watching.